Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on web accessibility. And we're going to learn about the text alternative to images for visual impaired accessibility. So whenever we have an image tag, we want to use the alt and then give a description of what that picture is. And this is important because at first I was wondering, why would this even matter? Why would people be using browsers if they can't even see it? But there's different audio interfaces where they convert web content for people who are visual impaired so they can get an audio version of it. And if there's an image of it during it, we need the alt attribute to describe to the user what is being displayed in the image. And a good alt text provides the reader a brief description of the image. And per HTML5 specification now, it is now mandatory to have an alt attribute. So you can't get lazy with your code and write an alt, and you have to write an alt. So for this exercise, we have a camper cat, we have a JPEG here, and we want to add an alt attribute to describe that the camper cat is doing karate. So we can just do alt equals camper cat is doing karate and closed. Okay, it's already closed. And that should be all. Thank you so much.